Hey, this is Elaine with Sweet Stampin', and in this video, I'm going to show you how to make this revolving cat card. Here's my fun revolving cat Halloween card. So I've got the white cat, the red cat, and then I've got the orange cat. So this is really fun. We're going to use the Give It a Whirl dies that are in the annual catalog. I have used this large piece here to cut out the front piece. I'll leave that there so you can see. And I have also used the circle die to cut out this circle. And you just line up the small circle down here so you know exactly where that circle is supposed to go. So I cut out those two pieces. And then I have also cut out this large scallop circle in basic black cardstock. I've also used the Bag of Bones bundle. I used the fence die to cut out a fun fence and the cat die to cut out my 3 cats, as well as this piece from the Them Bones Designer Series paper. And this is a piece that's a 12 by 12 that has all these other patterns on it that you can cut out. So I've cut the cat out of this one. So that way it's our window so we can see the 3 different cats. So I have a basic black card base that's 11 by 4 1/4, scored at 5 1/2 and folded in half. And then this piece was 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 and I used the die to cut it. And so now I am going to put these two together, and I'm going to use the round and square brads. I'm going to find one of the small round brads, and I'm just going to put this right through the first hole and then the second one. And then we'll just fold this over. These ones are really soft, so it's really easy to do this just with your fingers. And I'm not going to make it too tight because I want it to, spin freely. So now I want to add my piece with the cat. And so I'm going to trim off some of the top here. So now I'm going to add some dimensionals to this piece. And I'm going to add one in the lower middle. And I'm going to place this right over top this circle. I'm going to line up the tail with the bottom here. And then we can add this fun, spooky fence to the bottom. Now I'm going to use some of these foam adhesive strips. They're taller than the regular dimensionals, and I just want the spinner to spin freely, and so that's why I want to give it a little bit more height and room using this. So I'll put one at the top, one at the bottom, and then I'll put a few on the sides. So now I can put this down on the card. So now I'm going to put on my 3 cats. I'm going to use liquid glue so that I have some wiggle room. Just get some glue on the edges and use some tweezers. And then I'm going to place the cat right. I feel like this is the game Operation. Do you remember that game? I'd be buzzing like crazy right now. My patient would be dead. That's why I'm not a surgeon. Okay, so you're gonna put your kitty cat in there and just make sure it lines up, and just hold that down. Okay, don't want too much glue on the top of it because I don't want it to stick to anything else. One step that I added after I made the card is to use a circle punch. This is one of the older circle punches, like a 1 1/4 or 1 3/8 or 1 1/2, and punch a little thumb hold on the other side, and that will make it much easier to spin your cats around the tombstone. And so that is my revolving cat card. If you would like to get this fun card kit, 6 cards, 2 of 3 designs, including my fun pull card and my peekaboo card and my revolving cat card, all you need to do is place an order, a $50 merchandise order using my current host code. Email me and let me know that you would like this Halloween card kit using the Bag of Bones bundle, and I can send it to you for just $5 shipping.